So guys, for the first method, you're going to head with search and type in date and time settings. Click on it. And then once you run this, make sure that your time zone is correct. Make sure that you have set time automatically turned on. Now you're going to scroll down and then click on sync now. Make sure that your date and time is fully synced up. See if that works for you. For the second method, once you're on Google Chrome, you're going to click on the three dots in the top right. Now you're going to click on settings. And then once you run this, on the left hand side, you're going to click on about Chrome. It's now going to start checking for updates for Google Chrome. Make sure that it's fully up to date. Now once you have Chrome on the latest version, this should now fix your problem. If that's still not working, then for the next method, on the left hand side, you're going to click on reset settings. Now you're going to click on restore settings to the original defaults. And you can untick this box and then click on reset settings. See if that works for you. For the last method, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Now you're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you run this, you're going to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS. Click on enter. And now you're going to type in netsh space winsock space reset. Click on enter again. Now you just want to restore your computer and then the problem should be fixed.